Traditional tank cleaning is time-consuming and labor-intensive. High risks when working at heights. See how the Intelligent Era breaks the deadlock. The all-new generation of intelligent cargo hold cleaning robot, ready to use right out of the box, empowers immediately. Military-grade protection, fearlessly tackling the harsh environments of ships, storage tanks, and more. Why is it so powerful? Safety first. Remote control, no need to climb. Super strong magnetic adsorption, as stable as a rock. Agile and nimble. Corners and folds in the tank walls. No problem. Complex structures? No sweat. Efficiency multiplied. 1.2 meter wide sweeping. Far more efficient than manual cleaning, saving time and effort. Powerful performance. 0500 bar high pressure water jet. Cleaning, rust removal, and paint stripping all in one. Full coverage. Tank walls. Ribs. Lower benches. Deck ceilings. Wherever it's hard to clean, it goes. Practical application proves its strength. Permanent magnetic adsorption. Vertical climbing. A piece of cake. Hanging upside down. The strong magnetic system keeps it rock steady. Look, the most complex cleaning tasks have never been so simple. How Everget Intelligent Cargo Hold Cleaning Robot, leading industrial cleaning, ushering in a new era of intelligence.